Lesson 2, Unit 5, Team Management. This is the first supporting process in project management. Team management is the process to administer and coordinate a team of individuals to perform a task. Here are the steps you need to manage a team. Team identification, identifying the right people with the right skills that can do the work that is needed in the project. Team building, making sure that the people in your team are working as a team rather than a group of individuals. Building a team requires training and team building activities. Team evaluation, ensure the team is developing as planned and they are performing based on your expectations of the team. Team improvement, based on that evaluation, identify areas to improve the team, either by having more team building activities or increasing their skills. One of the tools you can use in team management is the Team Inventory Skill Matrix that captures the expertise areas needed in your project. On this matrix, each one of your team members will be rated. They'll be rated on 4 levels. If they have awareness or understanding of a concept, if they are working knowledge to do the work, if they have proficiency and they do not need any supervision to do that work, or if they are an expert in that field and can lead the work on that specific area. This matrix helps you identify any gaps in the skills needed in your project. Maybe you need somebody who has a proficient level in developing training material, but no one in your team has that level of skill. So it's a good opportunity to give your team training in that area so that you have more people who can deliver that type of work. Another tool is the team organization chart, in which you identify the roles and titles of everybody in the team. It's also a way to identify the level of supervision of the different groups in your team based on their areas of expertise. Another important tool used in management of the teams is the responsibility matrix. For every activity in your project, you need to identify the team members and people in your organization who will be responsible for doing work on the project. Each activity should have only one person responsible. You then need to identify who will be accountable for that activity. Accountable means a person who has authority to approve the outputs of the activity. Then you can identify people who will be consulted or need to be informed. Notice that there are some empty cells. Not all people need to be involved in everything. The responsibility matrix helps everybody understand not only the responsibilities, but also the activities where they have other roles. Here are some basic recommendations for team management. Make sure you understand the transformation between a group and a team. Building a team is an important step in the responsibilities of a project manager. Have an open communication policy with your team. They should feel free to talk to you at any moment. Good communications help motivate your team. Build trust. If there is no trust, it will be very difficult for the team to work together. Monitor team performance. Identify their weaknesses and provide them with opportunities to increase their skills. Team performance is a critical element to ensure your team is performing to their best and they are able to deliver the project results as planned.